Parler de la première impression means to speak about the first impression. To speak about the first impression, meaning when you see somebody, the impression that the person gives you on the first time. We have aller. It's the verb avoir conjugated on the third person of singular. Il a, elle a. L'air, it's just air. But in English, aller can be looks like or seems like. So, the verb, it has to be conjugated plus l'air to tell about first impression. So here we have il a l'air sympa. Il a l'air sympa. It means he seems sympathetic, or sympa can be also friendly. Il a l'air intelligent. Means he seems intelligent. Il a l'air timide. He seems shy. Timide means shy. Elle a l'air sympa. She seems friendly. Elle a l'air intelligente. She seems intelligent. Elle a l'air timide. She seems shy. Now, tell about first impression. Everyone has one. Everyone has one first impression. It can be different opinion, different according to different people. But still, this is what you use to talk on a person on the third position. But when you want to talk about yourself, you will say, j'ai l'air. You conjugate the verb avoir on the first person of singular. J'ai l'air sympa means I seem friendly. J'ai l'air timide. I seem shy. Like that. So, once more, il a l'air sympa, il a l'air intelligent, il a l'air timide. Elle a l'air sympa, elle a l'air intelligente, elle a l'air timide.